Hi, Mami Vilma. Sige, sagutin kita. So, sample EDD is April 2027. Tapos, ang hulog ko lang April 2026, 750. So, May, June, July, August, walang hulog. So, Mami, ang qualification or para mag-qualify ka for SSS Math, then you need to have at least 3 months posted contribution po. Yan. So, kung halimbawa voluntary member ka, para sa mga gusto mag-self-compute ha, by the way, punta po kayo dito sa ssmobilitybenefitscalculator.com. And yan, nasabi mo dito, April 2027 ka mga anak. Ang qualifying period mo is January 2026 to December 2026. Now, kung April lang ang may hulog mo, which is 750, kailangan mo ng at least meron ka pang 2 contribution para mag-qualify ka. Kasi ang minimum is at least 3 months posted contribution under qualifying period. So, since ngayon is August, current month, pwede mo pang mahulugan kung halimbawa old member ka ha, tapos walang changes sa member status mo, for example, voluntary ka. So yun, pwede mo pang mahabol yung July since ang due date nito is on or before end of August. Yan, kung monthly ka maghuhulog, usually ang due date ng SSS contribution is on or before end of the following month, except for MATBEN, kung yung last month ng qualifying period mo, for example, is December, yan, dapat mahulugan mo rin siya within December. Instead na January 2027 yung magiging due date niya, for MATBEN, kailangan December hulugan mo yung for December contribution. Now, kung quarterly ka naman maghuhulog, yung January, August, September mo, hulugan mo siya. For example lang to ha. Yan. And then, ang due date nito is on or before end of October. And then, yung October, November, December, kailangan mahulugan mo siya on or before end of December. So, this is just sample lang. Yan. So, ito yung possible na pwede mo pang makuha kay SSS. Yan. So, sa mga gusto magpa-compute or estimate, comment lang yung EDD, your month contribution, and your member status. Make sure na naka-follow kayo ha. And sa mga mommies nang need ng extra fund, yan, click nyo lang to, madadirect kayo kay Union Bank Credit Card. Wala naman tayong commitment dito mga mami. Whether you're qualified or not, pwede po kayo mag-fill up.